All right, here we have everything pretty much. Here's a keyboard, mouse. Look at that. Everything's working on the actual system. All right, today we're going to bring a 5-in-1 docking station for your Steam Deck. Now, this is unheard of, so this is what you get right now. You give up your USB, of course, but you gain one USB Type-C, 8 HDMI, if you guys can see that, two 3.0 USBs, and you get the memory card, another memory card here, the SD micro SD card connection. All right. Now, this one can be to charge the actual system, and these two to display, and keyboard and mouse too. So that's what we're going to end up doing. So what you want to do is just get your adapter. You guys can see it just clips on real quick. Move it to the side so it won't block in our USB. All right. And all you got to do is connect this one here. We got to connect it here. We have devices here. We're going to charge our station. We're going to see if we could use a keyboard and mouse. So it does have a kickstand, if you guys can see that. You could use it as a computer. So let me go ahead and bring a mouse first. We're going to plug in a mouse. We're able to do it now. And now we're going to bring a keyboard too. So let me close this out so you guys can see it working. All right, we're going to bring our keyboard. All right, I do have a wireless keyboard. We're going to plug this in here. And just like that, we're going to bring in internet web page. And we could type away. Very simple. All the items connect. Now, the memory card, I do have one. It's a 256 right now. We'll move it. And if you guys can see it, it's going to go on slide on the side of it. Right? So if you want to have two, you can have two in one unit. So, which is great because a lot of people like to add their own OS, either the Steam Deck or Windows. There's the file that I currently have right now. As soon as I put it, it doesn't go in all the way. It's still supposed to be left like that, but you can have it in two different ways. You have access to all your buttons, your memory, and then of course. All right, here we have everything pretty much. Here's a keyboard, mouse. Look at that. Everything's working on the actual system. We got it running really good. I could close it out here if I want. I could turn it off. Access, you could charge this device at the same time. You don't have to worry about extra connection. I like the docking station. It's very thin, very portable, easy to use, including with extra SD card reader, two USBs, extra port to charge. I mean, you're gaining instead of losing. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.